welcome to Chef William's Cooking Show. How are you doing today? Try the crinkle cutter first. That really does a slice to it. That really does a slice. That really does a slice. Now we're gonna try the knife.
That was awesome.
Let's try another one. Now we're gonna peel an apple. Okay. Now we're gonna peel an apple. I'm so excited.
Watch your finger. Watch your finger. Did it?
Peel me.
Did it?
Yep, I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. You better hurry. Hurry! I peeled my finger. How did I do that? I was just testing that out. Okay, now we have an apple. Do I bite into it? Let's see what you do when you bite into an apple. Mmm. Yeah. I did it. This is my life. I'm the king.
Show it.
Heart. Here you go. I made your heart. It's really far in. I've done this one before. What in the world is this one? Mommy, have you seen this one?
Let me see. I can't see it.
It's a bear.
It's a bear.
I'm gonna chop you some more. They didn't crinkle. You see? Look at the inside of a tomato. That's what an inside of a tomato looks. I realized something. We can get the seeds out and plant them again, so we can have more and more tomatoes. So we don't have to keep going to the store. We can just keep on planting them. Remember, always remember to put your finger off the blade. And remember to cut it how William cuts it. This toolbox is perfect for little kids.